Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on Friday, June 5th, 2020. It's currently 4:06 and the day is done. The markets are insane. And I think for the last, 2 months, people have been calling the markets insane. Where do we go from here? Up, I guess. Who knows? What are you going to trade to the downside right now? Things just keep going and going. There's a lot of money coming in. The question is this FOMO? Is this people just putting in their money and then the markets are going to die off pretty hard? I sold my Apple at 288 thinking I was a champion when it went down to 260. Now Apple just made all-time highs at 331 and is closing at the high. It closed at the highs almost, 331.75. So I left a lot out there. I'm okay with it though. I don't see the market staying up this high for all summer, but who knows? You can't predict that, and that's the key. So that's why I'm doing the intraday day trading, which has really been good. And today was nice. Today was good. I missed a trade here on the break of the 330 level. It worked out really well. I went for a whole point for Apple. That's really good. It was a good trade. I just missed it. I missed a bunch of them. The bad trade was Cake, break of the 28 level. The 29 level, and it just kind of meandered, so I got out there pretty quick. Tesla, I took a win and I took a loss. I took a pretty bad loss on this trade here, 880 break, and it fell off, and I thought I could hold, and it didn't, and I kind of gave it one more sense of stop loss area. I wasn't going to hold on to it, and obviously if I did, it would have worked out fine. But this thing could have rolled over down to 864. Who knew? So I got out, and then I took it again at the 880 level and made up for it. You can see here 880 on this line, and then 880. So that was an easy trade. Really nice. So I got that back real quick. But the stock of the day for me was a Boeing. Boeing all morning. I took a pre-market trade. You can see here the inflection point here at 205. Of course, I sold too early, and then it went up to 218.79. So I took a retracement trade here, which worked out pretty good. The only problem is when it got up to this level, almost 215, I probably should have said, it's not going past 215 anymore. Let's take the rest off. And I held my stop at break even, and it came down and eventually sold off pretty good. Basically came down to our original entry. Isn't that crazy? That's how it works. But overall, Boeing was the trade. I ended today with $165. My high at one point was $177. I traded a little bit larger, and I think if I had held that Boeing here, I hate to say it, but that would have been a $1,000 trade, just a little bit. I don't think I would have gotten all this because this pullback here and pullback here, but I got to be willing to embrace the gain. I talk about the pain. I got to embrace the gain when I'm in the trade and it's winning. I got, if I'm looking at P&L, or if I'm not looking at P&L, or if I'm just looking at the chart, I have to embrace the wins and really let them ride, because that's where you make your money. Obviously, as a day trader, you get a lot of, one hit type of things where it only goes a little bit and you get out, but markets were so strong. This pretty much parabolic move here on a big time stock like Boeing just kept, it was skipping points. It was going point to point. It wasn't even giving spreads in the middle. It was like 206 to, or like 208 to like 208.80 up to 209, 38. So it was like just skipping. Obviously, if you're on the wrong direction, that's why I get flying, because all the short sellers were just getting crushed. But that was the trade of the day. I got a piece of it. I didn't get all of it. I missed a couple, of course. I'm learning that if I don't trade everything I see that I feel like I should take, I'm missing out, because then I take the ones that don't work. That's a fail. I need to press the button on all of those trades. The ones that are working, ones that are don't working, press the button, and hopefully, diminish the losses short and make the longs run. Basically how it goes. So this pretty much wraps up Friday of the week. Good week, solid week, And I'm looking to continue this on into next week. Enjoy the weekend and have some nice weather, hopefully. And hopefully get some more positive news out there. And that's all I can say. So enjoy. Have a good one.